how to start a remote group session on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so please follow along with me and watch this video until the very end because you don't want to miss any step. Now if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I provide you with solutions for problems, tutorials, how-to videos. So if that's an interest for you, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Now, without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. So now let's head over to Spotify. And now, let's say I would like to listen this song with my friend. So what I need to do basically is to tap on this computer logo right here. And then as you can see, we have here start a remote group session. So now listen with your friends in different places. So please tap on start a remote a group session. And now all you need to do is to invite your friends. Okay guys, so start a group session and now invite your friend, copy link, and now you need to send the link to your friend. It's inviting up to 7 friends. Once they join your group session, you can play music and podcast together. Okay, so as I said, just tap on here, start a remote group session, and then I just send that link to your friends so you can listen music together. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you guys in the next one. Take care.